Exercises to build a big barrel chest. Here are some exercises that will help you build a big barrel chest. The chest is a muscle group that takes up a great deal of attention for physique-minded guys. What are your chest muscles? The pec major is tasked with adduction of the arm, movement in toward the body, and rotation of the arm forward, along with assisting other muscles in pulling the trunk up when your arms are above your head. The benefits of training your chest muscles. Still, the benefits of chest training are important to keep in mind. Not only will a well-developed chest have aesthetic benefits in terms of how your shirts fit and how you'll look without one, you'll also see postural benefits. Just make sure to balance out your chest day with back training, too. How to train your chest muscles. The chest building exercises. Bench press. Dumbbell chest fly. Push-up. Get into a high plank position with your weight on your hands directly beneath your shoulders and your feet close together, keeping a straight spine with your core and glutes squeezed. Dumbbell floor press. Band chest fly. This exercise can be an extremely effective single or double arm exercise, increasing hypertrophy and muscular endurance, providing that pump, without putting the amount of stress on the shoulder joints that a chest fly with a dumbbell would, says athlete performance and development specialist Curtis Shannon, CSCS. Your arms should be outstretched but slightly bent. T-bench glute bridge fly. Drive your shoulders into the bench to set them. Then squeeze your glutes and abs to form a bridge shape with your feet planted on the ground. Machine chest press. Deficit push-up. Half-kneeling chest press. The half-kneeling chest press also gives you the opportunity to hone your core while you're off balance, offering even more benefits and making the exercise more realistic. Incline dumbbell bench press. Lie on a bench with the backrest set at a 45-degree incline. You might have seen some people in the gym knocking the weights together at the top, but there's no need to do that here. Close grip bench press. Cable fly. Stance change kneeling fly. Plyometric push-up. Incline archer push-up. Plate squeeze press. Single arm dumbbell bench press. For even more of a core challenge, move even further to the side of the bench so you're forced to create tension to keep your body balanced. Spider-Man push-up. Standing one-arm landmine press. Bear plank chest press. Thanks for watching the American Nutrition Channel.